Hitting the slopes, a fun dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and make learning fun and accessible for everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, hitting the slopes. So, grab your virtual skis, because we're about to embark on a linguistic journey down the mountain of English idioms. When someone says they're hitting the slopes, they're not talking about going out and literally hitting a hill or a mountain. Instead, this phrase is a popular idiom that means they are going skiing or snowboarding on the mountain slopes. It's a casual and fun way to say that someone is going to enjoy some time on the ski runs, surrounded by snow and possibly enjoying the chilly thrill of winter sports. The phrase, hitting the slopes, originates from the world of skiing and snowboarding. While it's hard to pin down the exact moment this phrase was coined, it's clear that it evolved from the action of skis or snowboards making contact with the snow-covered slopes. Over time, it became a shorthand for the activity itself, embodying the excitement and adventure associated with mountain sports. Now that we know what the phrase means, let's see how to use it correctly in conversation. Here are a few examples. I can't wait for winter vacation. We're hitting the slopes in Colorado. After months of planning, we're finally hitting the slopes this weekend. Do you have any tips for someone hitting the slopes for the first time? Notice how the phrase effortlessly conveys the idea of skiing or snowboarding without needing to explicitly mention the sports. English is rich with idioms that describe leisure activities. For example, catching some waves refers to surfing, and hiking the trails means to go hiking. These phrases, like hitting the slopes, use vivid imagery to convey activities in a more engaging way. We hope you've enjoyed this linguistic journey as much as we did and that you're now a bit more prepared to hit the slopes of English idioms with confidence. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing rules, it's also about embracing the culture and the fun behind the words. So, the next time you hear someone planning to hit the slopes, you'll know exactly what thrilling adventure awaits them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.